In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Spotify something went wrong error. Let's get started. First, refresh the Spotify page or completely close and reopen the Spotify app. Temporary glitches can often trigger this error, and a quick restart may resolve it immediately. If you're using a Spotify web player, try refreshing the browser page or opening Spotify in a tab. Next up, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Another effective solution is to clear Spotify's cache. Launch Spotify, click on the profile icon, navigate to the option settings and privacy. Now head over to the option data saving and offline. Click on clear for the clear cache and confirm it. With these, your problem might be resolved. If not, make sure you are using the latest version of Spotify app. To check that, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Spotify. Now, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Outdated versions can sometimes cause loading and synchronization problems. If you are using a VPN, proxy, or ad blocker, temporarily disable it and try again. These services occasionally interfere with Spotify's connection to its servers and trigger the something went wrong error. Lastly, you can completely delete Spotify from your device and then reinstall it. Finally, if none of these fixes work, Spotify server may be experiencing a temporary outage. In that case, wait a little while and try again later or contact Spotify support for further assistance. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.